All right, so let's finish off this topic 9 part 1, hey? We've only got a little bit more to go. Here we go. All right, so now we're going to look at how sperm is formed. As you know, making sperm starts after puberty, well, begins at puberty and continues throughout the adult male's life. And where does it all happen? Well, sperm making happens in little structures called seminiferous tubules. Here they are, the little yellow ones, and they are in the testes. So what I've done here is I've just grabbed one of these little tubules and we're going to have a look and see what happens inside of it. Okay, so this is what's happening in the tubule. We have stem cells there in the seminiferous tubule. Now these stem cells, they make copies of themselves. Remember, mitosis is just making a complete copy of a cell, okay? So these stem cells do that. So our normal basic cell, we have 23 centimetres from mum, 23 centimetres from dad. Normal cell. First thing we do in mitosis and meiosis is make a copy of everything. So now we have 23 centimetres from mum and its copy. We have 23 centimetres of dad and his copy, okay? Remember, 23 is just a number and I'm just using it to represent that piece of DNA. So we do our first split, okay? We put half of the genetic material in one cell and the other half of the genetic material in another cell. So we're splitting. And then we split again. We put half here, half here, half here, half here, and here is our beautiful sperm, okay? So the sperm end up with half of the genetic material that you started off with, and remember, it's mixed up. Okay, now can you see here that these pink cells, it's actually this whole thing here, see? That's actually a cell. That's its nucleus. And can you see how they support, or the sperm, as they're developing, are kind of snuggled in? Yeah. So here's our stem cell, okay? Then our first split, and then our second split, and then here we have the sperm. So can you see here that the sperm are made tails first? Yeah. So this is their little heads, and the tails are all sitting in the middle. And they kind of, as the sperm are made, they kind of get dropped into the inside of this tubule as they're made. Okay, so once the sperm is made, then they kind of are moved to this structure here. See there? See, it's like a C shape. Now that little structure there is actually called the epididymis. Now here in the epididymis is where we store the sperm until we ejaculate the sperm, okay? So this is your seminiferous tubule. The sperm are made here, they get pushed through to here, and then they are stored in this little area here, C shape. Okay, as a C shape. And that's it. That was a quick one.